This is an introduction to multiplication for young starters. What is multiplication? Multiplication is one of the four basic operations in math. What are the four basic operations in math? These are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Today we will be learning multiplication. Multiplication can be represented as an X, a star, and a dot. These are the three signs that are eligible to use when writing a multiplication problem. Here are a few examples of multiplication. Multiplication is just repeated addition. For example, 2 times 5 can be written as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then we just add the 5 numbers. That's equal to 10. Let's take a look at the pictures below. I have 2 times 5. I wrote it in the repeated addition version, but I also have a picture with 2 rows and 5 columns of apples. I can use my amounts of rows and columns to get my product. I did the same thing for 7 times 3 so you guys can get a better understanding. Here are a few fun multiplication facts. If you multiply any number by 1, you will always get the same number again. For example, if I have 57 times 1, it will be equal to 57. And if I multiply any number by 0, I will always get 0. For example, 57 times 0 is equal to 0. And if I rearrange any two numbers in a multiplication problem, I will always get the same answer. For example, 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 7 times 3 is also equal to 21. I only rearrange the factors so that the order will be the different one, but it will still be the same problem. Factors and products. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. What are the factors and what is the product? The factors are 4 and 6. The product is 24. Factors are numbers that you multiply to get a product. And a product is the answer to any multiplication problem only. And remember, the order in which you multiply the numbers does not matter. What did we learn today? Number 1, multiplication is one of the four basic operations in math. Number 2, multiplication can be represented as an X, a star, and a dot. Number 3, multiplication is just repeated addition. Just repeat the addition for the problem. Number 4, if you multiply any number by 1, you will always get the same number. And number 5, if you multiply any number by 0, you will always get 0. Number 6, factors are numbers that you multiply to get a product. Products are the answers to multiplication problems. 8, the order in which you multiply the factors does not matter because you will always get the exact same product. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe.